Well, on this project today I have a broken hydraulic cooling fan. I don't know if you'll be able to see it down here. It's got one blade on it and the rest are gone. And I don't think that this can be worked on from the bottom. So I'm going to try to take off this guard and see if I can get to it. Yeesh. You get the dust off of that one. Yeah, I know this is going to be a bad idea, but I'm going to try compressed air. Alright, now I can see the lock nut for that fan. This has a 3/4 inch drive. No, a 3/4 inch socket. And this is going to turn the entire thing. So I need to lock the bottom somehow. I thought the parking brake would do that. Now I know this isn't a impact tools, but I'll put my impact on these extensions and try it anyway. Got it. So I've got the nut loose. I need to get underneath and take the tension off the belt. Now under here, this is the tensioner arm that goes to the Hydra gear pulleys. And the one with the fan problem is over there. So once the tension was off on that belt, this come right off. Now this didn't have to come apart. I just did it anyway. The actual problem was this cooling fan. I actually thought it had only one blade, but I ran over a bunch of sticks and I guess that's a problem. I have a replacement. And you can see the bottom of this blade, there are some little pins that stick up. They're just plastic. They'll lock into the holes on this drive pulley. And getting it back in there will be hard. I can't even really get the camera at the right angle so you can see better. It would probably be more proper to have done this by taking the fuel tank off. See, I've got that in place with the belt around. Now, I'm not sure how I'm actually getting this into that spot. Maybe I can do it from underneath. We'll try my best to get this into the picture. So there was the pulley, and here is the fan. What I may have to do is take the pulley back off, put the fan in first, and then try to put it back together. Okay, I got that up there somewhere. Let's see if this will work. Oh. Definitely not the easy way to do this. All right, that's roughly the right place it needs to be. I'm going to try to get on top of it and put the nut on it. I got the belt on that pulley first. Okay, everything looks great here. Now the way I relieved the belt tension was to actually just take this spring off. I took it off with this screwdriver, and I hope to put it back on the same way. Just like that. Now it's back together. All I need to do is torque the lock nut on that drive pulley, and then this will be done. Alright, I've got my pneumatic impact on. I'm going to torque it to, you know, 2 or 3 ugga-duggas. And that should get it. Fully functional fan back in place. Now I would have thought the nut on there would have had a lock washer or something on there, but it doesn't. It just screws into the fan blade, and that's all there is to it. Now that it's all back together, I'm going to turn the engine on, watch the fan, make sure this all works properly. Looks like they're both working fine. Well, I need to put the seat back on, and then I can put this back to work. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone.